What I mean by squats, don't mind because I put this. So what I mean by squats, you want to do something like this. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Becky. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, you're highly welcome to my channel. Actually, in this platform, what I normally talk about home remedy, how you can use home remedy to take care of yourself, to take care of your skin, to take care of your home, your husband, your husband. Okay, then if you want to know more about this channel, you can quickly go to my playlist and watch all the video there from A to Z. Then you will know about this channel. If you want to know about me, you can click my about, you know about Becky. Thank you so much for doing that. In today's video, I have a beautiful home remedy for you. You could be the one that this home remedy will be very useful for. If you're a type of a person, a type of a lady that you need a figure head, you want a butt which is called bottom, you don't have it, you don't have your bottom is flat, it doesn't even shoot out, it's not coming, it's just going inside, then you don't like that. You can't wear hot pants, you can't wear mini, you can't wear all this dangerous tights for your hobby, for your boyfriend, or for yourself, or you are going to club, or you want to go for a drink with friends. You can't wear mini gown. You don't have that figure head, that definition that's womanhood. Like me, when I'm at home, I love hot pants, especially when my partner is around. Oh, I wear my hot pants, mini skirt, you name it, I wear it. So in today's video, I have a beautiful remedy which will help you, but I strongly recommend that you have to do 50 squats a day. You have to do it if you want your bum, you want your butt to shoot out. 50 squats in the morning, 50 squats as you are going to bed at night time. That will really speed it. Before Christmas, you will see the definition of your shape, of your hips, of your figure. Okay, I would love to stand up now to show you my figure. I'm not going to open it because you never know, maybe my husband, my boyfriend might be watching, and it doesn't normally go to my channel anyway. So I will kindly to stand up for you guys, because I'm not the type of a person who will talk, oh, you want a butt, you want a boobs, the person who is talking doesn't even have. I really want to get rid of it safe. I have, then what I'm using, I'm going to show it to you guys. What I mean by squats, don't mind because I put this. So what I mean by squats, you want to do something like this. 1, 2, you really have. So guys, welcome back to my kitchen. The first ingredients that we need plum. As you guys, you can see the shape of the plum yourself. Even by eating only plum every day before go to the gym or before doing any squats, this will help you. There's no any other magic. Get used with the plum. Okay guys, I'll show you my own. It's almost finished guys. As you can see, the container himself is always finished. Just add it as your own diet, like I used to. I love plums. So you see the shape. Before I go to gym or do any workout or squats, it depends any workout I decide to do. I like sports, okay? So if you want this to work, you have to add plum, and you can make juice of it, but I don't like making juice of it because I just like the taste of plum alone, like that. Just dice it and you remove the seed. There's a seed inside, so there's a tiny seed there, so you have to be careful and you get rid of this. You don't need this. Fruit juice may help lower your blood cholesterol
and also can lower your blood pressure, improve exercise stamina, may improve muscle power in the people with a heart failure, okay, may slow the progress of dementia, help you maintain a healthy weight, may prevent cancer, good source of potassium, good source of other minerals. So it will improve your health, it will improve your stamina. When if you're type of person who love going to the gym, it will give you energy, will boost your energy that we want in order for us to have a big bum, our big butt. You can even eat it like that without making it dull. It's really lovely. When you get used to it like me, you will get addicted. So those are my fruits that help me to have my big boobs, my big butts. So please guys, get used to fruits and get used to your exercise. Do your squats. You can do 200 or 100 in a day. That's not so much. Go for walk and get a fresh air to your skin. Now I'm going to hit that one by one. And you need your hammer milk. You can get almond milk, or if you can get soya milk. They're all the same, okay? They contain the same nutrients. They are full of antioxidants, promote healthy, give you healthy bone, and so on and so forth. So you can check it yourself. So get yourself at least 1 glass of almond or soya milk a day. That will be perfect, and you will see the results. And please bear it in mind when you are doing all this home remedy. You have to exercise patience, and this home remedy works. I'm telling you, you look fresh. Acne, you use 2, 3, 5 fruits in a day and a little bit of exercise, squat, especially if you're a lady that you're expecting a big bum. Just add the habit of squat. Go to internet, check YouTube how you can do your squat. Is the benefit of squat is to bring your boot out and get rid of a natural milk like a refresh milk, almond seeds. You can make, I know how to make almond seeds. If you want, you can leave the comments below. So I hope this will help you. Don't forget to share my video and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Stay blessed.